Hello YouTube, Unnamed Seeker here, aka Russian Decepticon as some of you might know me. As you know, there are some things that are so bad it's good, like G Gundam or that Galgai Gars kid. And there are things that are so bad it's horrible, like that bullshit they call YouTube's new design. As we all have noticed, this faggotry was forced on us without any sort of vote or feedback options. And just look how great it is. All the comments are now monotonous wall of text with video description perfectly blending into it. One click to get to my subscriptions is gone. Sidebar changed from convenient tool which sorted video by playlist, author and relevancy into fucked up pile of shit. Vital things like direct link to and add to favorites is gone. This design solution forced by some alternatively gifted exec are so horrible that I'd rather suck a rotten ballsack of a badger bisected by a train and shoot myself. I'm starting to sound like AVGN here. Fuck. It's just that bad. I have nothing more to say. Unnamed Seeker, signing off.